Hey, Dr. Brett.
Hey, Ashley.
You always talk about having an open mind. What does that
Yeah,
mean?
yeah. So this is super valuable because if you really want to learn and grow on this planet, as an athlete, as a friend, as a lover, as a business person, you want to have a more open mind, which means you're willing to change. You're willing to take in other people's ideas. You're willing to do things differently. Some people are more naturally open-minded by nature. It's part of who they are. But you can develop a more mind over time. You have to embrace it. It's a part of a personal growth journey, right? And it is doable. It's just harder work for some people that aren't more naturally open-minded by the way they're raised.
How do you teach athletes to have an open mind? Let's say they're not performing well. How do you say, okay, maybe let's open our mind a little bit and think of something different? You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, I mean, look, I have a kid this afternoon that's on the pro tennis circuit. When I first started coaching him, he wasn't particularly open-minded, to the mental game. He reached out to me, but at the same time, he was resisting the meditation, mindfulness, visualization, and breath work. And I just kept at it, right? I kept hammering the fundamentals until he started practicing. And then he eventually listened to me and started having some breakthroughs.
and when it comes to having an open mind, I know you say this all the time. Just like say yes, right?
Yeah.
When do we say no?
Well, like I'm heterosexual in this lifetime, so I'm saying no in terms of that kind of stuff. But, for the most part, serial killer types, you want to say no to sociopaths and manipulators, right? So there are times when saying no is important. People will rob you, cheat you, and steal from you, right? And some people will rape you and kill you. So there are times when you want to say no. The subtlety of that is part of your life's journey, right? Almost everybody has like given a friend money and it hasn't worked out, right? And most people have been swindled in some way in some kind of business deal. So that's sort of part of the process of growing up, right? Trial and error. That's part of the reason why you learn things like diversification. So you don't loan all your money to a friend or to a business partner or put all your money in one area because then you're vulnerable. Same thing with your heart. Opening your heart, I think, is a wonderful thing. You do that to a manipulator or a sociopath, you're going to have a problem.
When people find themselves saying yes to somebody, and it can be a mistake. Manipulators come in all different forms. How do you get your I don't even know how to ask this. Like, how do you stop it? Like, just I'm done. Like, I can see you're manipulating me. I'm done.
Yeah, well, it can be, sometimes they can be family members, so you might not be completely done, but you can be better and better at what therapists call boundaries. I call honoring yourself in relation to the people you care about or to people you deal with, right? Which is to be able to say, like people call me up all the time for a discount, and I say, I don't really do that anymore. I'm 50,000 hours in, 30 years into my career. I don't do that for strangers, right? I need to get to know you before I decide whether I want to reduce my fees or not, right? So I'm just communicating more effectively and honoring myself better.
Cool. And then, all right, no, that's awesome.
Yeah.